This press is the fastest make-ready press you will see. There's no press that will be able to beat this in make-ready speeds. But we have 4 printing units, we have a perfecting unit, and here we have an LED UV lamp, followed by another 4 printing units, coating unit, and then into our extended delivery where we have another LED UV stick curing the inks. We were running at 18,000 sheets an hour there.
We are able to change plates at lightning speed. We have all plates on and all plates off due to our simultaneous plate changing system.
This press has what we call our SPC, simultaneous plate changing. So this plate cylinder no longer has a gear. Of course, we've replaced that with a servo-driven motor we call Drivetronic. No more engaging or disengaging. The motor runs the plate cylinder 100% of the time, allowing us to take all plates off and all plates on in how long, Eric?
50 seconds?
You got it.
There we go.
50 seconds to change all plates, but at the same time, we can actually clean blankets at the same time.
Now this is aided by a feature called Plate Ident. There are 2 cameras on each cylinder. There's a data matrix code on the plate. What it does is it ensures that the plate is properly positioned on the pins, then it pre-registers a job, and then it sends data to the press. So to keep the ball rolling, this press can also have flying job change. So we can change the plates while the press is running. We can be running these 4 units and changing plates on the next 4 units. And you had some experience with that?
Yes, Eric, as you'd mentioned, we could be producing in these 4 units at 15,000 sheets an hour while we are making ready on the other 4 units.
We have a customer in the Southeast of how many plates you can put through one press. Ready? Here we go.
So this customer, in a 12-hour shift, he changes 1,500 plates every day.
This is not an ordinary coating unit. There's actually an Analox revolver in there. So there are 3 Analox rollers, and you choose from the console which one you want.
We now are changing the coating plate, as you see, on the coating unit. This takes just over a minute. We are changing from a coating plate size to increase the sheet size for the next job, which will be board.
Now, as all of our presses are tailor-made, custom-made to your exact needs, they're also modular. So the lamps or the LED sticks can be changed. You could start off with conventional, you could grow into traditional UV, and Chris, even end up with regular, full-blown LED?
Yes, we have a variety of drying options. We make our own drying systems. So this means that we can custom design the press for the drying system and the drying system for the press.
So Chris, I want to talk about quality control systems.
This press has 6 cameras. The camera in the middle does a color. The camera on the outsides, they measure for content. So as soon as you start printing, every single sheet that goes through this press will be measured and compared to the reference sheet that you proved to the PDF. Yes, this final job, we're actually going to take over to our RDC unit. This job is printed on the 106, as I'd mentioned, LED UV with an LED UV gloss coating on a board material. This is a pocket folder. We will now take this sheet right over to our RDC for completion on finishing. We're able to do that because it's 100% dry, both sides, with our LED UV.